Hey guys, welcome back. And admittedly, this video should have came out before the cable management video, but I was just way too excited to get that cable management finally done. So it just so happened that I finished that one up first, and now we're doing a video on the studio update. In this room, there used to be a bluish gray carpet, definitely worn, had some stains on it. It could have been maybe steam cleaned, but we don't know how old it was, so we just decided it should go. We did get a gray color for this carpet in here. It is thicker, so it's more plush, and just overall a nicer carpet. So we definitely were excited when we picked it out, and we're definitely excited on how it came out. So this is just going to be a quick little update on what it looked like before to what it looks like now. That was step one. Well, maybe painting the room was step one, but we did that before we moved in. I don't have any video of that, of what it used to look like to what it looks like now. So I guess step two was the carpets, and we'll keep on updating the studio as time goes on. Prior to getting the carpet installed in here, the room was a mess. Stuff was kind of just everywhere, still in boxes. I didn't want to unbox too many things because I knew that I was going to have to take them all out of the room when we did the install. So I was just keeping everything in boxes for as long as possible, which made this space, I wouldn't call it unusable, but kind of hard to get focused, be creative, just because there was just so much clutter. But now it is so much better. Things that are in their place, we have the monitor up, cable management is done, stuff is away where it should be. So it's making the process of being more creative, making more videos much easier, or at least that's the theory, right? When we first moved in here, we always had the idea of just replacing the old carpet with a new carpet, but then we started thinking maybe we should do a different type of flooring. We were going back and forth between LVP, which is luxury vinyl plank, the carpet, other types of flooring, such as hardwoods, but ultimately decided to just stick with the carpet. I think it'll help with echo reduction, so that way it kind of dampens the sound in here. I feel like when you have flooring, then you have to put down some sort of area rug to kind of help with that. So I think this was the best decision and the best way to go with the flooring in this particular room. So I'm really happy with the way it came out. Honestly, I don't know what else to say about carpeting or the carpet. We love it. We love how it feels. We love what it looks like. We're really happy with the way it came out. We'll definitely put carpet in here again. We'll see if my mind changes in the next couple of months, years. But right now, we really like the way it came out. Let me know what you think of the new carpeting in this room and what flooring you would choose. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put them down in the comments section below. As you know, I love interacting with you. If you like this video, if you got any value out of this video, hit that like button. It'll definitely help the channel out. Same with subscribing. If you haven't, please do so. It will help the channel out tremendously, so please do that right now. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye. It will help me out tremendously. What was that?